My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Fans don officially name Shawn as the gossiper of the season, and also Wani X Handy and Double K management, they don put out an official statement on who they go pick between the two pairs wey be say their fans go vote for. So since the unpairing happen, mixed reaction don dey because fans wey be say dey vote together before, they go need to divide themselves. Almost all the housemates, some of them wey be say get solid fans individually before, those ones no get issue, but the ones wey be say get collective fans, they get issue right now because they don't know who they go vote for. But Double K, their management don come out come put out an official statement stating clearly say make their fans vote for Kelly Ray instead of Cassia, because na Kelly Ray na actually convince Cassia to come into the house. And na exactly wetin I talk for my previous video be this: e go dey very wise if they pick Kelly Ray than Cassia, because we all know to say if Cassia win am, we women, my gender, our money na our money. Let's just be honest. And man money na still our money. That's just how life is. Life can be unfair to men at times. If Kelly win am, true e know to say Cassia go enjoy. And as for Wani X Handy, we all know to say Wani na the popular one among the two, and na she na dey give the public wetin they like to dey see. So definitely it's obvious say they go pick one. Even if you check for their IG stories, their IG page, you go see say they no even create account for Handy. Now Wani account now they create for. So to tell you to say now Wani now go be the one where be say they go pick anyway, and which happen the way the thing be. So onto Shawn matter. Since this season start, Shawn have been moving crazy. Now from one gossip to another, now the boy they do these days. And I remember to say for the live television show yesterday, Ebuka call out Shawn wey be say they gossip with Wani about Nelly Nyash, wey be say they to say the Nyash no arrange and all of that. And today now, Shawn carry Double K matter for him. Don they carry their matter for head for weeks now, but people they feel say maybe na normal something. But now people don't they show concern because the thing don't they show as if something maybe what be their name, Double K thief Shawn meat, or maybe they hide Shawn onions where you go use take cook indomie, because we don't know wetin Double K thief from Shawn wey make am just put all the hope for where they did. So in come today, he and Victoria and Wani, they gossip together, they talk. So according to Shawn they just say go nominate Chizoba and Cassia. Victoria called us and say, why Cassia? Say you don't nominate this girl since. Why not someone else? Shawn can say I'm not close to her. Say after all she benefit you. Now remember to say when Shawn won nominate last week, he not even listening to wetin he partner wey with Victoria they talk. He just convinced the girls make they not nominate Wani, or make they leave Wani and Handy. Now today wey be say they do their nominations, this boy, the Victoria they try to talk say, see, make we do am like this. The boy no one consider a partner. Very self-centered person. You know, the way anything wey be say talk, now just want me be like that. And Victoria na very calm person. If na person like me and you will go argue tire, I go even forget say we be pair safe. So Wani on the other hand come shook her mouth into the conversation, because all of them sit down for there. According to her, she can't say she won't plan so that everybody go put up Cassia for eviction. Now they try to tell Victoria, maybe Victoria not tell Cassia, because as we all know, Victoria and Cassia they be very close friends. According to Victoria self, it's like Cassia and be the closest friend. Maybe say she get inside the house. So Victoria can't promise Shawn to say she no go tell Cassia. We all know as Victoria be, once Shawn tell Victoria to do something, it's as if Shawn get Victoria mumu button. Nothing dey wrong if una dey plan, they conspire. That's not what we really want watch for Big Brother house. But where I get issue with Shawn na the fact say Shawn no dey allow Victoria talk her mind. She no dey allow Victoria to make any decisions. The boy just dey so domineering towards where Victoria dey. If na me be Victoria, I go nominate Shawn, I go nominate Wani, I go nominate the Handy, all of them together, because it's as if una no wan listen to wetin I dey talk. My friend, you won't put my friend up, but when you reach your turn, you no make her put your girlfriends up. You no make any sense to me. The fact say Shawn they always look down on Double K, that thing they always make me laugh, because if only the guy know how far Double K fans they go for them, I'm not sure saying go they even put in mind for the all this attitude go make and go they lose fans. People go they go more towards the side of the people wey be say dey gossip. Last week you just talk down on Nelly, this week now you carry double K matter. Your gossip too much. Go ask Adekunle IB for am. Adekunle for Level Up season, when he do gossip that time till today, fans never still forgive. And when a man talks too much, when a man gossips too much, na so e dey always be. So make we see some fans reaction over this recent bad behaviour wey be say Sean develop. So the first person here go say Parrot is taking note, Sean is a gossip. As we all know, or for those wey be say don't know, Big Brother don bring back that Parrot wey be say e bring for All-Star season that year. We just dey hope say this particular season this Parrot go do the job well. No be all those mumu thing wey the Parrot dey talk, things wey be say housemate talk, wey be say their fellow housemate no know, na im the Parrot suppose talk. No be that thing wey be say the Parrot do for All-Stars. Let's be hopeful. So another person can say this Sean want to spoil his game with his church. The person can put laughing emoji. Claire to say Sean, I don't know why the boy they behave the way they behave. That's why I just see that boy, because Nigerians most of the time, once they see person wey come from London, they always want support the person. Now which I don't notice, they always want support London boy, London girl, London this and all of that. For me, I know they rush to support anybody. I like to look you well to see to say you did deserving. Another one conversation is becoming irritating at this point. Next one say Onyeka, queen of content everywhere. Onyeka. The next one say the Parrot is coming for Sean. This set of housemates this season, they seem like very quiet set of people. Even with all the table where Ebuka shake, this people not agree fight. All the old team they talk, they not agree quarrel. They just everything. They just want peace. Now what I noticed for this housemate this season, they just don't want any drama. They just want peace. I will not feel fault them. Another person come say Sean should leave Victoria with her game and face his own. What is his problem with Cassia? Like I said, it's like Cassia thief the meat where Sean hide, or maybe she chop the stew where cook put for locker. No. Something where we say we don't know. Another person can say, why is Sean against Cassia or Double K? Why? Another one say, bitter truth is that Handy wants to ship Kelly Ray. That's why they want Cassia out so bad. Could this be the reason? If it be tossing a true, if it be say what it be name, Andy really like Kelly Ray, because why be say they know they ever want attack Kelly Ray? It's always Cassia. Another person can say they're actually saying the truth. Love them or hate them, let's leave emotions. She will take Vicky down. It's a game. Victoria for the 100 million. I don't think so. I see Cassia as a very loyal person. To be honest, I see Cassia as a very loyal person, because the conversation maybe say she and her husband get or free send, the thing show me to say, this girl not be smarty. For a woman to stay with man for 10 years, date man for 10 years, do you know what it means? That's a very loyal person. I believe if be friend to such a person, you're very lucky. Anyways, I hope Victoria and Cassia they no come up for the house, because I dey root for them too in my own way. Una take care, una bye.